In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a specific section or item on a Miro board. Whether you're collaborating with a team remotely or simply organizing your own thoughts, being able to link directly to a particular section on your Miro board is incredibly useful. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. The first thing you want to do is go to Miro's website. Simply open your browser and type in miro.com. Once you're there, you'll see a login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on that and it will take you to the login screen. Here you've got a few options to sign in. You can choose the email option if you prefer, or sign in using your Google account, which can often speed things up a bit. If you're signing in with your email, go ahead and enter your credentials and click on the option to continue with email. Once logged in, you'll land on your Miro dashboard where you can see all your boards. Now it's time to select the board you want to work on. Look through your list of boards and click on the one you have in mind. For this example, let's assume that we're working on a wireframe design. Once you've opened the board, move your cursor over the section you want to create a link to. As you do this, you'll notice three little dots appear at the corner of the section. That's your cue to click. By clicking on these dots, you're going to get a few options. Look for and select the copy link option. By doing this, you've just grabbed the URL link to this particular section of your board. Think of it like having a direct address that lets you, or anyone you share it with, go straight to this part of the board without having to scroll or search through the entire thing. Now, what can you do with this link? You have a couple of choices. First, if you just want to keep it for your own use, you can paste it somewhere on the same board for quick access later. To see how it works, you might want to paste the link in a new tab in your browser just to test it out. You'll see it takes you right to that specific segment of your board, which is super handy. Moreover, you can share this link with your colleagues or team members. Just send it over to them in your communication tool of choice, and they'll be able to jump right to the specific section you've highlighted. This can save everyone time and make your collaborative sessions more efficient, whether you're giving a presentation or troubleshooting a problem. And there you have it, you've now learned how to quickly link to any section of a Miro board. This feature is incredibly helpful for streamlining your workflow and improving communication with your team. Thanks for watching and happy Miro boarding.